Dear guys, today we are going to learn about appositive. An appositive is a noun or noun phrase that comes before or after another noun or noun phrase and has the same meaning. Appositif itu bisa berfungsi sebagai penjelas subjek. Ciri-cirinya adalah ada tanda koma setelah subjek dan sebelum verb. Berikut ini adalah rumusnya. Subjek, koma, appositif, koma, verb. For examples, Raisa, a Indonesian singer, had a concert in Malaysia last year. Raisa as the subject, a Indonesian singer as the appositive, had as the verb. The next examples, Donald Trump, the president of the USA, is speaking now. Donald Trump as the subject, the president of the USA as the appositive, is speaking as the verb. Di sini kita perhatikan an Indonesian singer dan the president of the USA itu diapit di antara dua koma setelah subjek dan sebelum verb. The other examples, my sister-in-law, Franny, takes nice photos. My sister-in-law as the subject, Franny as the appositive, takes as the verb. The other example, my teacher, Mr. Smith, needs to calm down. My teacher is the subject, Mr. Smith as the appositive, needs as the verb. Di sini, Franny dan Mr. Smith itu diapit di antara dua koma setelah subjek dan sebelum verb. So, Franny dan Mr. Smith di sini adalah sebagai appositif. Appositif bisa diletakkan di depan sebelum subjek. Ciri-cirinya adalah ada tanda koma setelah appositif. Begini rumusnya, appositif, koma, subject, verb. For examples, an Indonesian singer, Raisa had a concert in Malaysia last year. An Indonesian singer as the appositive, Raisa as the subject, had as the verb. The next example, the president of the USA, Donald Trump, is speaking now. The president of the USA as the appositive, Donald Trump as the subject, is speaking as the verb. So, here are the positions of the appositives. The first, subject, comma, appositive, comma, verb. The second one, appositive, comma, subject, verb. If the appositive is after subject, put two commas after the subject and before verb. If the appositive is before subject, put only a comma after it. And it is time for us to do the following exercises. Number 1, Joseph Henry, blah blah blah, first director of the Smithsonian, was President Lincoln's advisor on scientific matters. Di sini kita lihat setelah Joseph Henry ada tanda diapit 2 koma sebelum was. Jadi di sini fungsinya adalah sebagai appositif. Oke, jadi the best answer adalah the first director of the Smithsonian sebagai appositifnya. Appositif itu biasanya dalam bentuk noun phrase. The next sentence, kita lihat di sini, bla bla bla, wrote Since Dennis turns to Asian dances to find inspiration for her choreography. Di sini, sudah ada subjek dan verbnya. Root since Dennis itu adalah sebagai subjeknya, kemudian turns itu adalah sebagai verb. Jadi kita membutuhkan apostrophe. So, the best answer is the dancer yang bisa menerangkan root since Dennis. Thanks for watching. I hope that you can learn some from this. Take care, stay positive, happy, and nice.